Hi, I'm Andrea Lambert, and I thought now might be a good time to show some more kitten growing up pictures. Oh, here she is. He is. This is Betty Illuminati. This is my teenage boy kitten, who I named after her. I gave it a girl's name because I didn't know what gender it was. It was an enemy as far as I was concerned. Now he wants to go. And then he grew up to be a boy, and I was like, oopsie, oopsie daisy. But anyway, here's some cute footage of Betty Illuminati just kind of rampaging around, being adorable. Enjoy. Oh, hi, Betty Illuminati. How are you doing today? Oh, you are feeling very fast and frisky, aren't you? This is a teenage boy kitten. You can see the big paws and the big tail. He's going to grow into those. I got him about a month ago. Betty, do something cute. Sorry, I suppose I do need to vacuum. Oh, it looks like Betty is taking a rest. Oops, or not. Grabbing at my necklace. Grabbing at my dress. Very cute there. Oops. And just for some perspective, here's my other cat, Nevada Jacobson Lambert, who is a lot older, a lot more sedate. It's probably more likely to go to sleep or just kind of sit still. She's very calm. Well, Betty, on the other hand, is a whirlwind. Andrea's World of Cats. Here we have the older cat, Nevada Jacobson Lambert. This is Nevada. She's lying down. And this is Betty Illuminati, the monster. You know, there's something cute, Betty? Here we go. Betty is trying to decide what she wants to watch on TV. It's a he.